What is the significance of the Tulsi plant in Hindu health practices? The Tulsi plant, also known as holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, holds a venerable position within Hindu health practices, interweaving spiritual significance with medicinal utility. This sacred plant is revered not only for its divine association with the gods but also for its extensive use in Ayurvedic medicine, symbolizing a unique blend of spiritual faith and empirical healing. Spiritual significance. Tulsi is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology and worship. It is considered a physical manifestation of the goddess Tulsi, a devoted worshipper of Lord Vishnu, symbolizing purity and divine protection. Found in many Hindu households, the plant is worshipped daily, reflecting its esteemed status in religious rituals. This reverence goes beyond mere symbolism. It underscores a profound belief in Tulsi's ability to sanctify the environment and its inhabitants, promoting spiritual purity and health. Ayurvedic medicine and health benefits. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is hailed as the elixir of life, revered for its holistic healing properties. It is classified as an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body adapt to stress and exerts a normalizing effect upon bodily processes. This categorization is supported by numerous studies and traditional practices that highlight Tulsi's therapeutic benefits. Respiratory health. Tulsi is commonly used in Ayurvedic remedies for respiratory ailments, including bronchitis, asthma, and colds. Its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and immune-modulating properties help alleviate symptoms and support recovery. Stress reduction. The adaptogenic qualities of Tulsi assist in mitigating stress and anxiety, enhancing mood, and promoting mental clarity. By regulating cortisol levels, it helps in coping with both psychological and physical stressors. Cardiovascular health. Tulsi has been found to have a beneficial effect on blood pressure and lipid profiles, aiding in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases. Its antioxidant properties help in protecting the heart and vascular system. Digestive health. Tulsi supports digestive health by stimulating digestion, reducing bloating, and treating gastrointestinal disorders. Its mild laxative effect and ability to balance the gut flora make it a valuable remedy for digestive issues. Detoxification. Tulsi aids in detoxifying the body, purifying the blood, and eliminating toxins. It supports liver function and promotes kidney health, contributing to overall well-being. Skin and hair health. Applied topically or consumed, Tulsi is effective in treating skin and hair conditions. Its antimicrobial properties combat acne-causing bacteria, while its antioxidants protect the skin from environmental damage. Ritualistic use and daily consumption. The daily worship of Tulsi involves offering water, chanting sacred mantras, and circumambulating the plant, believed to confer divine protection and blessings. Beyond ritualistic worship, Tulsi leaves are commonly ingested in various forms, fresh, dried, or as herbal tea, integrating its health benefits into daily life. Its inclusion in traditional rituals and as a dietary supplement underscores the holistic approach to health and wellness in Hindu practices. Modern research and global recognition. Contemporary scientific research has begun to validate many of Tulsi's traditional uses, exploring its potential as a treatment for a wide range of conditions. Studies focusing on its pharmacological effects lend credibility to its role in stress management, disease prevention, and immune system enhancement. Consequently, Tulsi has gained popularity worldwide as a herbal supplement, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. Conclusion. The significance of the Tulsi plant in Hindu health practices embodies a profound synthesis of spiritual belief and empirical healing. Revered as a sacred embodiment of the divine and utilized for its extensive medicinal properties, Tulsi represents the quintessence of holistic health, a convergence of faith, nature, and science. As modern research continues to explore its benefits, Tulsi stands as a testament to the timeless wisdom embedded in Hindu traditions, offering pathways to health and well-being that are as relevant today as they have been for centuries.